Joan Miró was a Spanish painter and sculptor who lived from 1893 to 1983. Miró grew up in the city of Barcelona and began taking drawing classes when he was 7 years old. He had his first solo art show in 1918 when he was 25 years old, but his art was ridiculed and not well received. Miró's early work was strongly influenced by the art styles of Cubism and Fauvism, which were popular art movements during his time. Cubism fragments an image into a multitude of shapes, while Fauvism employs bright colors that are juxtaposed in very striking and unnatural ways. Early on in his career, Miró also created many whimsical landscape paintings inspired by the countryside of his native Spain. From the 1920s onwards, Miró's paintings became increasingly surrealistic. Surrealism is a type of art that focuses on exploring the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is the part of your mind that you are not aware of. Miró and other surrealist artists such as Salvador Dali tried to connect with their subconscious mind through trance and meditative-like states, and also through their dreams. They would express this dreamlike state through their artwork. Miró uses a lot of distorted shapes, and often his artwork conveys a very childlike simplicity. Like many artists, he was very interested in going against established norms. He felt that many art movements were used to promote propaganda and cultural identity among the middle and upper classes. And he was always trying to rebel against this and find ways to undercut the artistic norms. Worthy of special mention are Miró's Constellation paintings. These are a series of 23 paintings that he painted from 1940 to 1941. These paintings were done during a very difficult time in his life when he was exiled in France due to the Spanish Civil War. Today, these paintings are considered to be some of his greatest works. If you enjoyed this video, please support me by subscribing, and be sure to check out the other videos on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.